Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be making another tutorial once again, and on today's tutorial this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this lovely piece of earring from another earring. Can you imagine? This is an already made earring, and I had to separate them to put in this hot pink earring. Now, to just give it a different look, this is really simple. Okay, so to know how this is done, please stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back. On this tutorial, I'm just simply going to use this, okay, this hot pink earring. I have already measured this of about 1.3 meters, and then okay, and then this, okay, this pair of earring, and then my cutters, my flat nose pliers, and then my round nose pliers. That's just simple. It's just easy to do. Now, to begin with, I had to put this through my my gemstone, and I have to make sure that this is in the middle. Okay, so what I have to do is just to bend this side, just to create a loop. Okay, just to create a loop here, and then by so doing, what do? I had to cut a little bit of the this. Now there's nothing to hold, so I need to be careful so that it doesn't fall. I had to cut a little bit of this because it's quite too long. Other than that, I'm going to have a bigger loop. To avoid that, yeah, I need to cut a little bit. And now I create my loop with this. Once again, I'm not perfect with making loops. Sometimes I make mistakes, so I'm always careful with how okay, yeah. So it's in the middle here because I have measured the kind of the size of the loop I want. Yeah. Wow, I think this is perfect, isn't it? Oh, I love this. It looks very, very nice, and I had to put in my I forgot. You know what? I had to separate this, and it's really very easy. What I had to do is just to cut to remove this from the way. Okay, I'm not going to use this for anything. Just have to remove this out of the way. Okay, yeah, and it's off. Okay, yeah. So what I had to do is just to see there's a small hole here, so I just have to put this here and then close. Wow, this is so easy, so easy. Yeah, now it's closed. Wow, I just love my hoop. Actually, I think this is the best hoop I've ever made. All right, so the next thing I need to do is I had to bend to create another loop. Okay, so looking at this, I cut just a little bit, maybe a little bit. Okay, like that. Okay, now it creates my loop. Let's bend again. Okay, so to close, I had to just put this like so, and then close. It's so easy. I think to be able to know how to make loops, you need to know how to measure. It's very necessary, so that you have the same measurement of loops whenever you have broken a little part of my this is a punishment because I don't like to measure sometimes. Yeah, so yeah, that's just all there is to it. It's done. Wow, I'm loving this. It's so nice, isn't it? This is an earring from another earring. Maybe you could also practice this maybe someday. You could make I mean, just to connect the two together and you are done. If you have um your pins, or you have your wires or something, you could connect them. If you know how to make loops, you are just good to go with your tools and everything. So please continue to subscribe to my channel, and never forget, please thumbs up, comment, share, and press on the notification bell to get more new videos. If I make videos, you'll be the first person to see. And then, I mean, you love my videos. I know you love my videos. Yeah, thank you very much. And I know you have a lot of things to do, but you have just wasted your time and you sit there and you watch me. God richly bless you. And please try to make something new every day. These are just hobbies I make in the house. Yeah. So I'm happy with my hobbies and I love my hobbies. You'll be seeing more of my videos, and they will not be just jewelries, but they'll be more of other things. Okay. So God bless you and have a nice time. Bye bye.